Hello, my name is Noah Adofina, and this is my project for the second week of the Headstarter Fellowship. I have made an inventory tracker. You have a list of items that you are tracking, as well as their quantities. There are these buttons in the center which you can use to add or remove the items. You also have this button that you can use to add a new item. This goes all the way down to 0 in case, let's say, you run out of computers or boxes. And you have this button over here, which will take you to a place where you can buy more of them. So all of this is also hooked up to a Firestar Firebase database. You go ahead and subtract 1 again when it's at 0, it'll actually remove it. Yeah, this is my project. Thank you so much for watching.